Woohoo! Okay, back with helicopter 2.
No, we didn't do. This is helicopter 1.
What?
This is helicopter 1.
No, we have the other one.
Yeah, but helicopter 2. So
okay.
Subscribe to Jacob
and Isaac.
No, subscribe to Jacob M and subscribe to Jacob Tebow.
And subscribe to Isaac M.
Why not? Subscribe him. Alright,
okay,
now put it on 4. Oh god.
Wait, Isaac, we need it on 4.
Ready? Here goes nothing.
Okay.
Are you ready, Jacob?
Yeah, I'm ready. Woo! Let it go! Oh yeah! Success! Yeah!
We did it! We did it! Now Jacob, you have to go get it.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Watch this, I'm gonna go get it. Hi, Jacob. Hi, Jacob.
How come your helicopter doesn't work? Mine? Yeah. I'm not stupid. Wait, Jacob, can I tell?
Hi, Isaac.
Oh my gosh.
Now it's Isaac's turn.
We could do, yeah, let's do, are we doing that now? Helicopter bloopers. Helicopter bloopers. Okay, so, wait, it's not working. It's on. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, you guys might want to stand over here because... Okay, so I need this... I'll put it, like, on here, okay?
Oh, I have to do it again. Okay. Just wait.
Whoa. Jacob, you are reckless.
Wait. Okay.
No, just leave it on here.
No, I'm going to do it. Just put it on. This is dangerous. This is on 4. Is it? Yeah, don't try this at home. Is it? Yes. Is it at 4? Okay. Don't try this at home, guys. We gotta go down. Turn it off. Oh. It left it. Oh my god. Turn it off. Turn it off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my.
I knew I should have bought my water gun. I could have spoiled you all.
I feel like hitting him with the helicopter. Like, put it on and go right through his head. Hey, Jacob. That was success of Jacob.
Okay, I'm controlling it.
I want to do it. I want to throw it this time.
No, I'm going to throw it.
Oh, man. Be quiet over here, okay?
Bye, guys!